I wanted to make a quick video. I had a customer give me an Excel file, and he wanted to upload it into one of our arbitrary waveform generators and use a custom waveform to output for a test. I had a little bit of problem trying to figure out how to do this, so I figured I'd make me a quick video and share it with everybody in case they had any questions. This is basically how you would do it. So first thing you need to do, it all means, is you need to download our device manager software that's free on our website. Make sure you're downloading version 2.6 or more. If this video is old, it'll go to 2.7, 2.8, but right now we're at 2.6, so download that. When you start that up, it's going to show you right here. So right now I have a UTG 900 series waveform generator connected via USB to my computer. Now you do need a printer port USB cable, not the normal type C, type B ones that we use for our cell phones and things like that. You need that old style 2.0 printer cable. So if you Google just printer USB cable, it'll pop up on Amazon. I just bought one that was 15 feet, probably 10 bucks, not that big a deal, but you do need that. Just the same as you would direct connect to any of your printers. That's the way you would do it. I'm connected, and as you can see, it is actually seeing it right here. And if you right click, well, let me stop right there. Here is the file that my customer gave me. It was just a common Excel file with two ones, one for time and one for amplitude. What I had to do was delete time and amplitude out of the Excel sheet because I didn't need it. And I didn't need the time, I just needed the amplitude. So I remade the file and I just put it this way, okay? And then I just resaved it as like an A11, so that way I didn't destroy my original file because I was just kind of doing a test. But still, I can't use that file and upload it into my frequency generator. I need to convert it to a file with an extension of BSV. So this is how you're going to do it. If you go over here to your unit and you right click, it brings up three different types of programs. The send command is so that way you can just send it with the different programming commands. You also have the open AWG, which is a screen mirror of whatever unit that you're using. Like I said, I was just using a simple UTG 962E, and I can control it remotely doing it this way. So anything, as I'm clicking the screen right here, I can actually see the unit here changing at the exact same time. So if you want to control your unit through a USB, that's how you would do it. We do have remote software for almost every type of unit we have, so be sure to download it. If you have any questions, get a hold of one of us and we'll tell you exactly where it is and maybe help you along on it. But I'm not using this program. I want actually the ARB editor, which is Arbitrary Waveform Editor. So I'm going to click on that. And what I've done is I've made it to where I can just see the two screens right here. What I want to do is I'm going to load this file in just so I can take a look at it, make sure it loaded correctly. And then there it is. That is the actual customized waveform that I want to send to my waveform generator and have it output so I can run a specific test with a specific waveform. But like I said, right now what we need to do is convert it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on converter right here and I'm going to convert it. So what you need to do first is select your save path. Now I made a folder called UTG 932 waveform. I'm just going to path to that. Okay, so I'm going to put a save path there. Just make sure you do that. I had a little bit of problems when I didn't do that before. And then go back to the file that you had. This is the one that only has the one column, and select open. Boom, that's it. It's going to say results of the conversion a success. Here's the path, and as you can see, here is the new file that I need with .bsv. Now the first time I did this, I did have a little bit of a problem, and I think it was because I didn't have my path set up here. And if you don't have a path, it kind of gets confused and it won't actually convert it. But let's say you do have your path set up here and it still gives a fail. All you can do is just hit the back button and then hit the forward button again, and it will actually try to convert it again. And I did that the second time and it worked just fine. And as you can see, when I did go back and convert it, it put a second file there, which is basically a duplicate of this file. but it did allow it to do it. So that was it. I do want to show you one last other thing. I'm going to go ahead and close this. If you need any help, that's the software, never mind. You can go to the software and look at the manual. So what I ended up doing was finding where this path was. There it is. It's under Program 6, Instruments, Device Manager. So I just went there, Program 6, Instruments, Device Manager. Come over here to Docs, and there's your manual in English. So that way you can read it and see, it tells you how to actually run it step by step on all the different programs and stuff like that. So if you need it, that's where it is. Sometimes you can select it, go to help, and it'll pull it up. But if you do have a problem, just go to where it was saved and pull it out and then open it up right there. I hope this helps.